Hello everybody, I'm Divya Sharma. Welcome to Education Sirta. Today I'm going to teach you cell and their common characteristics. Let's begin the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. Part 6. Plasma membrane. It is the outermost layer of animal cell. It is selectively permeable membrane allows some substances to come inside and outside the cell. It is made up of lipids and proteins. Now nucleus. It is known as the control center of the cell, also known as the brain of the cell. It controls the function of the cell. It is responsible for the transmission of hereditary characters from one generation to other. It contains nucleolus and chromatin fibers. Now nucleolus. Nucleolus is a dense and spherical structure present inside the nucleus. It synthesizes protein by producing ribosomes. So the nucleolus is also known as factory of ribosomes. It is present in the nucleoplasm. Now let's study cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is a dense jelly-like substance present inside the cell. It helps in exchange of materials. Cell contain two parts, cytosol and the cell organelles. Cytosol is a homogeneous viscous liquid in which various membrane-bound cell organelles are present. Endoplasmic reticulum is divided on the basis of presence or absence of ribosomes. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are not present. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present. It helps in providing support to the cell. Camillo Golgi discovered Golgi apparatus. In plant cells, it is known as dictosomes. It helps in formation of lysosomes. Lysosomes are suicidal bags of a cell. It forms the waste disposal of the cell. Lysosome contain digestive enzymes. Now plastids. There are three types of plastids: chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. Chromoplast are colored plastic and leucoplast stores material and substances such as starch, protein, fats. Now centrosome. It consists of two microcylindrical bodies which are centrioles. It is present near nucleus. It initiates and regulates cell division. Now mitochondria. Mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell. It produces ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So it is the energy currency of the cell. It helps in oxidation of food to release energy in the form of ATP. Now the difference between plants and animal cells. Plasma membrane, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, dictosomes, lysosomes, nucleus and vacuole are present in both plant cells and animal cells. Centrosome is present in plant cell. Centrosome is present in animal cells only. Cell wall and plastids are present in plant cells. Thank you.